Well, I thought I'd come out here. Look, there's a helicopter. Uh-oh, you can't see it. Thought I'd come out here and see what the weather's like. Tornado just touched down around here somewhere. Not sure where. Look over there. Does that look like tornado clouds? No, not really. It missed me. Thank goodness. I'm glad I didn't get in the tornado. There's some... It was raining really hard, but now it's kind of sunny actually. Here comes the sun. I wonder if there's any more tornadoes coming. There's a tree. That's what the sky looks like now. I think the tornadoes happen just north of here, maybe? I don't really know. And so, yeah. Guess I better get inside before it rains all over my computer. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.